This is a Pharoah board set that came in, the CPU and the driver board. The driver board, somebody had already replaced the female 40-pin connector. Nice job there. I replaced all the headers that go around the board, all the 9-pin .156s. Somebody tried to reflow them and it just wasn't working. Also, it had a dead 7408 here, which was causing one of the solenoids to lock on. Somebody had already made the MOSFET modification to the lamp matrix with these resistors and those FETs. On the CPU board, somebody had already installed a NVRAM, but the board was not booting, and there were 4 main causes. One was this bus driver for the data lines was not operating correctly, and it would sort of squelch data 6. And then neither one of these 6821 PIAs were working correctly. They were AMI PIAs, so that's not too surprising. And the last thing was pin 8 here. When they had replaced the male headers for the CPU, they'd pulled the through hole, and that was preventing one of the signals to getting to the driver board and preventing it from booting. So let's boot it up. I have my Siegecraft, display simulator attached. And we'll turn on a light here. You can see it's showing between the high score and the last played 0. Solenoids, only the coin lockout solenoid is lit up now, and the lamp matrix is operating properly. So let's put it into test now. First test is display test, and you can see that's working properly. The next test is sound test. I do not have a soundboard connected here, so I'm going to skip that test. Lamp matrix test is next. You can see all those are working properly. Next test is solenoid test. That's solenoid 6, 7, 8, 9. Get ready for the blast of the 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, and this is the coin lockout one, so it goes out, and if we watched it go around again, it would come back on, just like these are, come on and then go off. I am also going to rake the switch inputs, or I'm going to do this, and it's going to fire the special solenoids 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the switch inputs for the special solenoids are working properly. Next test is switch matrix test. And I will use my Pennytech switch matrix tester to go through all of column 1. And then I'm going to go through row 1 as far as it goes. Williams games of this era will not report switch matrix firing for switches that the game does not use. So switch 44 is the end of the switch matrix on Pharoah. And I believe that's the end of the test. Yeah, let's go through audits now, and the game will reboot. And the lamp matrix is going again. And the only coil on is the coin door lockout coil. This board set is good to go. Thank you so much for sending it.